Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing about Rstudio data manipulation, that how data manipulation is done in Rstudio. Now in today's video we will be discussing about the commands select command, we will be discussing the filter command, and we will be discussing the mutate command, and we will be discussing the slice command. So these are some of the commands which we will be discussing in this video related to data manipulation. Now before starting the data manipulation, let me tell you the packages which we require to for this video. I will require dplyr package, right? I will require ggplot2 package. These are the two packages which I require for this particular session, right? Now if how to check whether these packages are installed in your Rstudio or not, for that give a command library, and in the library write down the name of the package, and it is going to show you that attaching the package. That means this package has been already installed in my Rstudio. And if it is not installed, for that you have to write down the command install.packages and the name of the package, and your package will be installed after you execute this particular command. Similarly, again I will check whether ggplot2 package is already there in my Rstudio or not. So yes, it is already there in my package, in my Rstudio, right? So now reason why I need dplyr package for the data manipulation on the data frames, and why I require ggplot2 package for this session, because I am going to work on a file of the name diamonds which is already inbuilt in this Rstudio, but for that I need the ggplot2 package, and this is the file, data file, on which we will be basically trying to do some data manipulations. And as per this data file, you can see that it has 10 columns and it has 53,940 entries into this, right? So this data set we will be using for the data manipulation. So first of all, let's do the select command. All right. Now let's suppose I want to select the two columns, that in the output I want that the caret column and the price column, these two columns should be displayed in the output. For that, what I can do use select command, name of the data file, comma, and the name of the columns. I will execute it and it will show me only those two particular columns. I can address the same command if I know the column numbers. I can address this using the column numbers also. Caret is the first column and price is the 7th column. All right. So I can address this by 1,7 also. So it is giving me again the same output. Plus, to get the same output, what I can do, I can create the vector of these two particular columns, also caret, comma, price, and again the same output will be displayed to me. All right. I hope you people are getting this. Fine. Now what else we can do using the select command is, if I want to select the columns which are starting with alphabet C, right? If I want to select the columns that are starting with C, now for that again I'll show you one more operator that we can use over here, that is the pipe operator. Now what is the shortcut to write down the pipe operator? Press Ctrl Shift and M key, the pipe operator will be written. Like for example, if I write down the name of the data file, I press Ctrl Shift M, it will be written like this, and I will write the select command. Fine. Now I want to display all those columns which are starting with alphabet C. All right. So you can see here in the output, it has displayed me all those columns whose names are starting with C, right? Another thing which I can do is, let's suppose if I want to select all those columns which are ending with E. Let's suppose ends with E. Alright, so it has displayed me all those columns which are ending with E. Fine. Another type of thing which I can do is, if I want to select the columns which contains any alphabet, let's suppose I say L. So it is displaying me all those columns which have L into that. Alright. And let's suppose now if I want to display all the columns except some particular columns. Let's suppose I don't want to display the caret column. So it will display me all the output except the caret column. Right. I can add more into this. If I say along with caret, now I don't want the price column also to be displayed. So you can see here now the price column has been also eliminated. Alright, so this was your select command. Now next command which we are going to do is the filter command. Now what we can do in the filter command, like for if a particular variable has 3 values or more than one value, like over here you can see here the cut has 5 levels: ideal, premium, good, very good and fair. Now what if I want to select all the values for which cut is equal to, let's suppose, ideal? So for that what I can do, I will write down the name of the file diamonds, Control Shift M, filter, bracket, cut is equal to ideal. So you can see here it is displaying me all the values of cut is equal to ideal, right? Now if I want to display all the values for which price is more than 14,000 or equal to 14,000. So it has displayed me that particular thing. Now if I want any 2 conditions to be applied, that can also be done. Control Shift M, filter, caret more than 2, comma, price less than 14,000. So you can see here for caret is equal to more than 2, it has displayed me all the values, right? Now this was in the filter command, right? This we can do in the filter command. Next is the slice command. Now slice means when you want some particular rows to be displayed in the output. Let's suppose I want to display 8th row, then 12th row, then 17th row and 19th row in one single output. For that we use the slice function. And how we use that? Diamonds, Control Shift M, slice, bracket. Let's suppose I want to display first 5 rows, then I want to display 8th row also, then I want to display 12th row also, then I want to display 25, 26 to 30, let's suppose. So it will display me all those values, all those rows, particular rows. All right. Now if I want to eliminate any particular row, that I don't want that row to be displayed, so I will slice that row, I will eliminate, let's suppose, the 2nd row, and it has displayed me. All right. So this is your slice function. Next function is your mutate. Now mutation means when you are doing some kind of manipulations, like for example I want to display a new column which is telling me the ratio of price and caret. So you can see here it has added one more column by the name of price by caret, and it is doing the ratio or division of that. Now the same command I can give the name also to this row which I have created by the name ratio is equals to price divided by caret. So you can see here now the name has been given to the row and it is like this. Fine. So this was about the select command, filter command, slice command and mutate command in the Next session, we will be doing some more data manipulation commands, right? If you have any query in today's session, you can put that in the comment section. And if you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.